In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable's upsell feature. An upsell is a simple way to increase your revenue by offering a related product or an upgrade to someone who's already buying from you. On Teachable, that can be another course, a bundle, coaching, or a digital download, and it's presented right when the buyer is most engaged, during a lesson, on the thank you page after checkout, or immediately after purchase with a one-click offer. Let's start with an upsell inside a course lesson. From your dashboard, head to Products, then Courses, and open the course you want to enhance. In the curriculum, select the specific lesson where the upsell should appear. Choose Add Content and look for the upsell block under Marketing Tools. You'll be prompted to pick the product type: course, coaching, digital download, or bundle, and then the exact product to feature. Select the pricing plan you want to sell and customize the title, description, and call to action so it's clear and compelling. Keep it relevant to the lesson content to feel helpful rather than intrusive. When everything looks right, click Save Upsell. Next, let's place an upsell on the thank you page. This appears right after a student completes a purchase of your main product. Go to that product, open the Sales Pages section, and edit the thank you page in the page editor. Add an upsell block where you want the offer to display. Pick the product and pricing plan, then write a concise heading and description that explain why this is the next best step. Save or update the page. A quick tip: this is a perfect spot for a complimentary course or a discounted bundle since the buyer has just converted. Now for the one-click post-purchase upsell. This is the streamlined version that shows immediately after purchase, before the thank you page, and lets customers accept the offer without re-entering their payment details. It uses the same eligible payment method they just used. Note that some methods, like certain buy now, pay later options, or specific PayPal scenarios, may not qualify. To set it up, open your product's upsell funnels or the thank you page editor and choose to create a post-purchase upsell. Select the upsell product and pricing, then craft headlines, subheadlines, and visuals to make the offer irresistible. Save and publish. As you deploy these, keep your offers tightly aligned with your buyer's goals. Keep copy clear and monitor performance so you can refine over time. That's how you use Teachable's upsell feature with confidence.